Christy, little Spanish doggy. Little Spanish doggy. Oops, you lost your hat. Christy, come over here. Get on your chair. Come on. No, come on. On your chair. Christy, come on. On your chair. Christy, come. Come on. Oh, nice way she listens. Christy, come. Christy, over here. Maybe I have to be a little more authoritative. Over here. Christy, come. Now. Now. Christy, now. Now. Up here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That's the key. Come on. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Stay. Stay, Christy. Okay. Gonna put the little hat on again. Oh, yes, so cute. Stay, Christy, stay. Stay. Oh, yes, so cute. Yes, little Spanish doggy. Yes, she got the little hat on. Oh, she don't want the hat on. Look at her using the little... Oh, Christy. You look so fashionable with the hat on. What's that, the ball? Hey, let me see that face. Let me see that face. Oh, yes, such a cute little face. Yes, she's so cute. Yes, and she's smiling. Yes. Yes. I see gray hair. Can't be. Only 2 years old. I have to get some dye for that. Okay. Okie dokie. What are we going to do now? Oh, you sit so nice. A nice little tail. Yes. What's that? I think I heard something. Is that a burglar? What did I hear? Did I hear a burglar? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that, Chrissy? Go see. Go see. Go see who that is. Go see. Go. Go. Go ahead. They're stealing the grass. They're stealing the bird bath. Go. 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 Go, go, go. Come on. Go. Go. No, your food's still there. Go. Go. See what they're stealing. Your ball? You looking for your ball? They didn't take your ball. They wouldn't want that. All right. You want to play. There you go. Such an athlete. Yes. Such a little athlete you are. Not very neat about your ball, though. What do you think, I'm going to crawl under the swing for the ball? I don't think so. Go get the ball. Get the ball. Go ahead. Get the ball. Listen, princess. Get the ball. Come on. Get the ball. Chrissy, come on. You don't want to play? You want to play? You don't want to play no more? You want to go sleep? What do you want to do? That's your stick. That's your little stick for your ball, but I don't know where your ball is.